ever lead a meeting that just felt like a waste of time?
We've all been there, juggling participation, keeping things on track, and making sure anything gets done. It can be a struggle.
But what if you could lead meetings that foster collaboration, improve communication, achieve clear goals, and leave everyone feeling energized? That's the power of effective facilitation.
Whether you're a mediator, practicum member, or simply want to become a more effective leader, this workshop is designed to equip you with the skills you need.
The Dispute Resolution Center of Thurston County offers a unique 2-day program led by experienced facilitators who are also skilled mediators.
This combination gives you the tools to navigate even the most challenging group dynamics and guide discussions toward solutions.
In this workshop, you'll gain practical tools to master 2 key facilitation approaches. The first is relationship facilitation. Here, you learn how to build trust and rapport in a group to create a collaborative and productive environment.
And second is product facilitation. Here, you learn how to guide discussions toward clear decisions and actionable work products.
And through interactive exercises, you'll gain the confidence to use these tools effectively in any meeting. We will dive deep into 3 key phases of successful facilitation. First is what to do before the meeting. Here, you will learn effective planning strategies to ensure your meeting is well structured and focused.
Second is what to do during the meeting. Here, you learn techniques to manage time, encourage equal participation, and keep discussions on track.
And third, what to do after the meeting. Here, you learn skills for summarizing key points and assigning action items to make sure there's follow-through after every meeting. Invest in your leadership skills and transform your meetings into productive gatherings. This training is open to mediators at all levels. Already have experience with facilitation? Even better. Don't miss this opportunity to take your facilitation skills to the next level. Enroll today. We will dive deep into 3 key phases of success. All right, I can do this. All right.
I feel your pain.
Don't miss this opportunity to take your facilitation skills to the next level. Enroll today.